Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. West Indies opener John Campbell was on Thursday confirmed as captain of the Jamaica Scorpions 4-day team for the upcoming regional campaign. As we hear in this report, the left-hander was the overwhelming choice for the job.
The 26-year-old opening batsman describes his appointment as a dream come true, having represented Jamaica at every level.
Well, it's always an honor playing for my country. Looking forward to it. New season, a new challenge for me. First time captain in Jamaica from the start of the season. While a few seasons back, I captained 2 games, but now as the main skipper, it's a lot different. It will be different, and I'm hoping that we could come out on top.
And Scorpions coach COLEY explains the reason behind Campbell's appointment.
Well, firstly, you would needed somebody who obviously would have been in a position to be in the 11, playing 11. And then someone with leadership skills and somebody who would obviously have the respect of the players as well. So John was the person we selected for the role.
Campbell's first challenge will come against Trinidad and Tobago Red Force starting January 9. The game will not only mark a first for Campbell, but could also see left-arm spinner Patrick Harty Jr. making his first-class debut after his maiden selection to the squad.
Well, it's a great feeling to be selected for the Jamaica Scorpions team. I've been working hard for this pretty much all my life, so it's definitely a great feeling. My family is definitely proud, and I just want to go out and represent the country well and ensure that we win games.
Harty's selection for some is a long time in coming, but the Kingston Cricket Club player says he never thought about giving up on a national selection despite being constantly overlooked.
First and foremost, growing up, I always had a love for the game. So it's just the love for the game that keeps you going, and you always want to see yourself do well, and that intrinsic motivation to always perform is always inside of me.
I can't necessarily speak to that. Obviously, I haven't been around, but like anybody else, sometimes you don't get the opportunity you think at the time you think you should have it, and he's been given that opportunity now. I know he's ready, and he's been looking forward to this for a while. So it's for him now just to go and express himself in the way that he knows how.
Harty and Dennis Smith are the new faces in the Scorpion squad, with the other members being Alwyn Williams, Jermaine Blackwood, Asad Fuddadin, Nkrumah Bonner, Rothman Powell, Aldane Thomas, Dennis Bulai, Nicholson Gordon, Derval Green, and Markina Mindley. RENARDO Brown for TVJ Sports.